Hi. You're now about to learn how to empty your bladder with an intermittent catheter. Catheterization is a way to empty your bladder with the help of a little plastic tube called a catheter. Your body produces urine. The pee goes down to the bladder. The bladder looks like a balloon. It is small when it is empty, but grows in size when it fills up. When it is full, it's time to pee. The pee goes out through the urethra. If you cannot empty your bladder the regular way, you can use a catheter. It is a plastic tube with holes in one end and allows for the urine to come out. Your doctor or nurse will tell you how often you will need to empty your bladder based on your personal needs. The catheter has a special surface that gets very slippery when it gets wet. Some catheters need to soak in water for a short while, and some are ready to use and have water already in the package. Your doctor or nurse will show you how to use your catheter. First, bring out the stuff you need for your catheterization: your catheter and maybe a towel. Make sure you have enough light in the room, since you need to see clearly what you are doing. Wash your hands with soap and water. If you are using a catheter that needs to soak in water, it is good to prepare it before you pull your pants down. Find a comfortable position, either standing up or sitting down. You will soon find the position that works best for you. It's important not to touch the catheter surface to avoid bacteria going into the body. Some catheters have an insertion aid to make the procedure easier. Sometimes you may feel that the catheter stops before it comes into the bladder. It may help to pull your penis a bit more towards your stomach. Take a deep breath, cough a little, or try to wee. This will help relax the muscle at the entrance to the bladder and let the catheter in. It may feel a bit odd to start with, but you'll soon get used to it. Once the catheter gets inside the bladder, the pee goes in through the holes and out through the connector. Don't forget to point your penis and the funnel end of the catheter down towards the toilet, jug, or drainage bag. Take time to completely empty your bladder. It is important to make sure that all the pee comes out. You can then throw your catheter away. Emptying your bladder regularly is an important part of staying healthy. Self catheterization will help you and will soon be a natural part of your everyday life, not only in your home, but also when you're out and about.